Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to show you how you can delete your Telegram account. So for that, go to Telegram and go to your settings, then tap privacy and security. From here scroll down and you can see automatically delete my account. So tap on that, and after that you will see so many options like you can delete your account after 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. And you have an option that you can delete your account right now. So if you want to delete your account now, then you have to tap delete account now. Or if you want to delete your account like 3 months, after 3 months or 1 year, so you just tap on that. So if you tap on delete account now, then over here you have that option, so you can easily delete your account just right now. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye.